right, these are the North Tower elevators. These look older. Yeah, these are older. There's a glass car. I'm gonna film that. That is an interesting lantern. Yeah, these are older. Oh, nice. This is going down. Oh, these ones are relay. You can tell it's got the old Dover logo still there. Here we go. Yeah, I'm just filming for a project.
You're doing what?
A project.
On the elevator opening?
Elevators.
Elevators.
Yeah.
Are you a architectural student?
Oh, I'm interested in elevators.
It's kind of an up and down field.
You could say that. Have a good day.
Thank you, you too.
Oh, look at the engravings, 7th floor. That's cool. This tower is definitely older than the other one. Oh, this one doesn't have the engravings on it. We'll go down to 2. 2's locked, we'll go down to 1. It's a neat place. Anyway, that'll be it. I think it'll just sit over. That's it.